This is
Yeah.
a silicon cell.
Yeah, silicon cells.
Okay.
Silicon-
Have a little bus bar. Is the little bus bar is the little in this direction.
Yeah, because it's really complicated in Turkey, both for house and plants.
In Italy, we have a big problem.
Really?
See,
Why?
bureaucracy.
Similar in Turkey. Bureaucracy. It's a famous word for all the countries. Okay, you can keep going on explaining the differences between using cheap photovoltaic panels, inverters, and other components, and expensive ones. What's the main difference? As far as you can explain, I'm listening to you.
In a photovoltaic system,
Yeah.
the force P on vertical.
Yes,
So-
yes. I'm gonna short explanation. I'm gonna give short explanation in Turkish. Şimdi Faroda. Faroda company. Şimdi bize bayağı detaylı anlattı. Kendi şirketlerine de, yani daha doğrusu imalat yaptıkları yerin duvarlarına da bu fotovoltaik pilleri yerleştirmişler. Çatıya yerleştirmemiş. Çatıya yerleştirdiği zaman ağırlık biniyor diyor. Yan taraflara, duvarlara yerleştirdiği zaman yükü şu taşıyıcılara veriyorsunuz. Dolayısıyla daha efektif bir sistem istememişler, zaten kendi sistemleri. Burada dedi, yani Türkiye'deki gibi, aynen dedim Türkiye'deki gibi bürokrasi, bunları dedim kurmak falan kolay mı? İtalya'da çok bürokrasi vardı dedim. Same in Turkey. Bürokrasi burada da varmış. Ama bunlardan ziyade bakın burada işte şey var, elektrik şarj istasyonu var. Bireysel bunu kurabiliyor musun? Bunu kurmak hiç dert değil. Şak diye alıp böyle kuruyor musun? Eğer public kullanım için değilse. Arabası da, kendi arabası da iş yeri yöneticisinin Tesla. Yani adam kurmuş fotovoltaik pilleri. Ondan sonra buraya şeyde, söyle adına, şarj istasyonunu da kendi kurmuş. Şarj istasyonunu bu sistemle de entegre etmiş. Güneş olduğu zaman buraya besleme de yapıyor arka tarafta. Arabayı da burada park ediyor. Gayet güzel bir sistem. Evet. Yeter bu kadar, kapatayım artık ya. Evet, şimdi İtalya'da Arezzo'da Faroda şirketindeyiz. Burada da bir gün kadar eğitim alacağım. Şimdi burası hem böyle ağ entegrasyonu yapıyor, hem her türlü güvenlik sistemi, yangın algılama sistemi kuruyor, ama aslında solar enerji, güneş enerjisi sistemleriyle ilgili sistem entegrasyonu yapıyorlar. Çeşitli fotovoltaik pillerden invertörlere, işte bireysel kullanımdan fabrikaya kadar çeşitli yerlerde kullanıyorlar. Bayağıdır konuşuyoruz da. Sorry, I forgot your name again. Luca yöneticisi, ismini unuttum, çok fazla İtalyanla karşılaşınca bize açıklıyordu detayları. Şeyde kaldık. Pahalı fotovoltaik kullanmayla ucuz kullanmak arasındaki farklardan bahsediyorduk. Devam. Luca, okay, you can keep going on explaining the differences between using cheap photovoltaic panels, inverters, and other components, and expensive ones. What's the main difference? As far as you can explain, I'm listening to you.
In a photovoltaic system, in photovoltaic system, it's very important to find the product is better to the complex system. So for the inverter, it's possible to find a low-cost inverter, but low percent of compensation.
Yeah.
So the rendimento.
Think about that. Rendimeter. What's rendimeter? I think it's better to. I'm sitting there.
Okay.
So, rendimeter. What is rendimeter? You can check. Yeah.
Sorry. Because it's important for the compensation.
Yeah. Rate.
Rate. Okay, rate is very important to find in the inverter to bring the inverter, to find scegliere, come si può dire, scegliere, choose the inverter. Allora, the low cost have a little
Availability.
okay.
Of the
Okay. But if you choose an expansive inverter,
all right.
you have more rendimento, come si diceva?
Results.
No, quello
Great.
rate is
Inverting.
very important.
Yeah.
Because the inverter is the very important part of the system.
Okay.
Is very important to panel.
Okay. So I understood the infrastructure, all the infrastructure is important. Photovoltaic panels, inverters and all other components is if they are compatible with each other and
Yes.
they are if the structures efficiency calculated before, that's okay to using this components, but using expensive photovoltaic without calculation, with using just a regular inverter, it doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Am I understand correctly?
We have a choice.
Sure. See, okay.
The better inverter for many planes, because is very important have the better inverter. Then two photovoltaic panel. So when we receive a request to for a work,
Okay.
we study the better solution, and we calculate quale sia la soluzione migliore. Cioè, non riesco a parlare in inglese, nel senso.
No problem. You can
Which is the
speak in
best
Italian. They can
solution?
translate
sorry.
it. Huh?
Which is the best solution?
Well,
Yeah.
when we read to request of un cliente, come si può chiamare?
Client.
Class.
Customer.
Customer. Okay.
We study where the better solution, and the better solution is panel is inverter, is the mixed panel inverter,
Okay.
and we make an economic plan to invest for economic return.
I understand.
Without
You try to
without economic return is not it's impossible to find or bring a good solution,
Yeah.
because if it's not convenience, we don't make un'offerta, come si fa, un preventivo.
A budget.
Budget.
If it's not convenience, we not
You don't
make a
give a recommendation to install all the
Okay,
things
because-
because it's not effective for you.
First, we is necessary to study the system, verify the convenience. If it's convenience, we make.
Okay.
It is the first. La prima cosa da fare.
The first thing to do.
The first thing to do. Okay.
Okay. When is convenience?
Okay.
If it's convenience, we bring il prodotto giusto.
The right
Production.
product.
Huh?
The right product.
Right product
Right.
is is low cost, is medium cost, is better
Understood.
cost.
It's a general approach actually. I'm curious about software, about calculation. Are you offering something based on your experience, or rather than
No,
you are using
we
a
are-
calculation program for the energy efficiency or other kind of things?
We have one software hour, un software nostro di licenza che acquistiamo da un produttore, che abbiamo acquistato da un produttore, come si può dire. We have our software that we have buy in a software house
Okay.
for calculation. We make with this software, and so with the software of the system. Solar Edge have a software for our system, and so before we calculate with our software, con il nostro software.
That's your software.
Yes, yeah, okay.
Did you develop this software or using? But you bought this software.
Both.
You bought. Okay.
Both.
It's a general.
Because the software house make modify with the new normal, with
Alright.
the new tabelle. Sorry,
Don't wait. Just say in Italian.
no,
You relax.
no, perché i software sono aggiornati con le nuove norme e con le nuove tabelle di irraggiamento annuale. But it's very difficult to
New laws.
translate.
They're updated with the new laws. The mother house of the system developed the new system with new laws and new tabs and.
Okay. I understand the main points. Not problem. But
Okay.
you are trying to say specific. I think it's gonna be a problem for you.
No, sorry. And so when it is impossible to make to manual this calculation,
All right.
and so we based with our software and with the software of the company of inverter. Li confrontiamo.
Confrontiamo. What's the meaning?
So they
Compare.
Compare.
Okay.
Compare.
Okay, compare. And so we look if is similar,
All right.
because the company of the inverter, come si potrebbe dire, forse falsa il calcolo per suo
if the mother's
the free software is not the free software of company.
Yeah.
I don't know if really good. Okay, and so we compare to verify is really or not.
All right. I understand the main points. Are there any inverter
Yes,
photovoltaics here? You will show me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Another thing. I understand the
Yeah.
point. Your working manner, your procedure. Mainly, I understand the baseline, but I think it takes time for the understand the details on the fields,
Okay.
because for example, I don't know about the software. What about the inputs you are giving to solar capacity related to how what kilowatt they consume, surface area, or this kind of things. At in the end of the calculation program, will program give you an efficiency number, I don't know, or rate. What's it works? How it works?
One minute. Marta, Mi porti un piano economico di un SolarEdge? Because for the
Is Marta professional about the software?
Now, because for the calculation is important where the panel is on the roof.
Yeah.
North, south, east, ovest, the inclination. And
Sorry, I'm interrupted. By the way, you just install the panels on the roof or walls?
this is different. We are on the walls
Yeah.
here.
Here, walls. Mhm.
See, but only for a little system. But uno un po' meglio ci sarebbe, no?
Uno meglio.
This is for the SolarEdge, no?
Yeah,
But
SolarEdge.
we compare with our software,
Mhm.
and this system is good. Not the calculation is correct. Okay. We position the panels into the roof,
Mhm.
and so we introduce the total
67 megawatts per hour.
c'hai una colori? Marta, uno stampi una colori?
A colori?
Prendimi quello della chimera, stampami quello della chimera. The input for the system is how many kilowatt consumption into the mount.
The house or factory, I don't know the place, their regular consumptions.
Okay,
These are they take.
We want 1 year of consumption passato.
Okay, where can you collect this information from the electricity provider? Which,
No, dall'invoice to the
okay.
invoice to
I understand. More,
and,
more manual way.
more clients we said I spent 500 euro. No, I'm not interested in euro. I want to say kilowatt, not
Okay.
euro. Okay.
Give me the bills.
Okay.
Yeah, you can check the bills.
Check the how many kilowatts to for only mount, because in this time so it's possible to calculation the good to better solution. In this time, for example, they consumption more that is the production, because they have little space for a panel.
Yes.
Okay.
I understand.
But in this time is industrial.
Industrial, yes.
Okay, and they have more.
There's a huge amount of
More,
panels on the roofs. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The more consumption, and this is in green is the photovoltaic producer.
April, May, June, July, August,
September.
especially May, June, July.
The better is
because of the
June, July.
sun
Because-
angle,
okay.
sunlight beam angle. Yeah.
Okay.
This works. It works in this area of the Italy. If you go to north south side
In
of
the south of
it's-
Italy is more.
yeah.
Okay. And we shade the panel solar.
Uh-huh.
5 solar
Cinque
is
solar.
the same, and the inverter is SolarEdge, and this is the law. This is the consumption annual.
Yeah.
1 gigawatt. Okay.
1 gigawatt.
Okay. This is the production of this system.
1 gigawatt. It's a factory. Okay. That's okay.
1 gigawatt hour. this is production 189 megawatt, and the auto consumption is this 100% because the consumption is more.
I understand.
Okay. If you
before that, I forgot again. I'm gonna stop the recording and just small explanation in Turkish. Bütün bu şeyleri Türkiye'ye çevirecek vaktim olmadığı için durdurayım videoyu, bir de sahaya bakarız. Kısaca ne anlattı bize? Şimdi bu fotovoltaikleri devreye alırken kullandıkları yazılımlar, verimlilik hesapları falan, onlarla ilgili detayları anlattı. Yani İngilizce anlayanlar artık dinler, daha sonra da çevirmeye çalışırım. Şunu bir kapatayım ben. That's all for now.
Faroda.
Faroda.
Faroda.
Okay. Is there a meaning, Faroda, in Italian, or is it an acronym of something? Faroda.
Acronym. Fa, falsini, ro, rondoni, da, davveri.
Okay, what's the meaning?
In the first time.
Yeah.
Fa, ro, da.
All right.
Now is Faroda.
Okay.
Fa, sini.
Rondoni. Davveri. Are there any meaning, or are there user names?
The fondatori.
Foundation.
Yep.
Yes,
The
is the
person who
name of
founded
foundation in 1974.
1974. You are not a new company. 1974.
Near 50.
15. Yeah.
Near 50 years.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
We have.
What about your
We have.
components, your products?
This is inverter conversation.
Okay.
Huawei.
You are using Huawei inverters.
Inverter. This is Azzurro.
Yeah.
Azzurro ZCS.
Okay, you are using Huawei converter, Azure converter. It's from Italy.
Yes.
Yeah, near here.
Not production in Italy, but is in Italian
Distributor.
Yes.
Distributor. Okay. Another one. You said one more inverter. No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Huawei, Azure, and SolarEdge.
SolarEdge. Yes, the most.
SolarEdge.
Yeah, SolarEdge is the most famous one, or no one.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
SolarEdge.
the better. And this is lithium battery.
Okay.
SolarEdge. This is a lithium battery Waco by Azzurro.
Okay.
Okay. And
But all are in the box. Is there any? Yeah, here.
photovoltaic
Yes.
panel is the same type, same power. This is
455 watts.
This is 375.
Yep.
375
Okay.
and more. This is not to look, but is 410.
Mm-hmm.
This 460 and more.
Okay.
And more. And this is the structure for the panel. Panel we vengono. This is the structure for the panel.
Yeah.
When we take the panel to roof.
Yeah.
The structure is important for per tenere, come si può dire, per tenere il pannello?
Tenere pannello. What's the meaning again? It's real hard to explain technical terms for you.
Giulio, traducite.
Sorry. Sorry.
Alright.
I look a photo.
Okay. By the way, are you dwelling the roof or different kind of installation method you have? Different. Because I saw before on the YouTube some installation methods not include dwelling. Some different.
And this system is to on the roof is an installation to home, and this is the system to but
it's like a rock.
What?
Yeah.
The first time we take this on the roof.
Yeah.
We positioning and
some kind of fixture.
Okay.
For the panel.
Poi next we take this on this, and next the panel on this, and block it with this system.
Yeah.
And the panel
I get it.
Block it in with
okay. I get it.
Okay. More time. This is another system with another type of roof. We take this with this system.
Yep.
And next the panel blocked on the.
I see.
And in this time the there are more systems for this is for the on
parking area.
Parking area, okay. A lot of system to.
Are you interested in or doing something about car battery charging systems through this solar energy? Because when I on the autostrada, I saw in every station there are parking areas top of the solar panel, and near there's a car battery charger, and I don't know, but as far as I see, I thought that they are related each other. They are feed each other. Am I correct?
Yes, it's correct. Ultimamente capita sempre più spesso, come si potrebbe dire?
It happens actually often.
Actually?
Yes.
Aspetta.
Adesso. No.
It happens often lately. Yeah.
It is related because it's a good system.
Yeah.
Efficiency.
No.
I understand.
Okay.
But
we have a charging station. We have
here.
solar panel.
Here.
Yeah. Yes.
In front of me here.
Yes.
Charging. We can check this. Is there a complicated regulation about installing charging station and solar panels, or simple in Italy? Because it's really complicated in Turkey, both for house and plants.
In Italy, we have a big problem.
Really?
Sì.
Why?
Burocrazia.
Similar in Turkey. Bureaucracy. It's a famous word for all the countries.
Charging station?
Yeah.
Electric car.
Tesla. Is your car?
Yes.
You are using Tesla with electricity, and perfect panel, and wall panels.
Yes.
Yeah. And your panels feed the here. It's perfect. That's I'm trying to find. That's a structure. Okay. Schneider Electric, Schneider's Charge Station.
This, the charging station now is a lot of type.
Okay.
Little, big, medium. This is
Yep.
in AC. Okay, charging to AC alternating current,
Yeah.
not direct current.
Okay. But there are types, different types.
Different type.
Different
By
types.
in alternating current, start to 2 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt is the maximum power charging in AC current.
Okay.
Alternating current 22 kilowatt.
Okay.
In direct current, start to 50
Yep. 50,
to 350
350. Okay.
is the different system.
Okay. But this question is not regarding this issue. I'm just curious about the dual motor. What's the meaning of this Tesla version dual motor? Is there a dual
Because I have
electricity
one
motor?
on one motor on two. One motor,
Yeah.
second motor. One motor, second motor.
For this
only one motor
acceleration
for-
for one
okay,
motor
okay.
and front side another motor.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the first motor. This is the second motor.
Okay. I understand. That's your place, but installing this station
Yes.
also problem regarding the bureaucracy again for you.
For installing on a private.
Yeah, hi. This is private.
Yes.
Ah,
It's not a problem. You installation without problem. For
okay.
installation a panel, you the first bureaucracy, and so you have a problem if in Italy a lot of documents for installation.
Yeah.
In sometimes it's very simple, sometimes it's very difficult.
I understand.
But we have anytime is different.
Okay, I get the point. These are on the walls, on the roof. Is that-
Because the
Ah,
roof,
yeah.
I don't know if a lot of il peso.
You don't need the heavy weight on your
Okay,
roof.
because if you are installing on the roof, I have aumentare, dovevo mettere delle zavorre. Aspetta.
I think I understand, but you can check again with your Google Translate.
Sorry.
Şimdi ben bu arada, by the way, when you search and I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna explain in Turkish. Şimdi Faroda'dayız. Okay.
Ballast.
Yeah, ballast. Balance. Okay. Yeah,
Pesi.
Ballast.
Aggiungere pesi. Add weights
Yeah, yeah,
for the
add
wind.
weights.
For the wind, not.
Yes. I clearly understand your point.
Okay.
I clearly understand.
Okay, and so
yeah.
I prefer to install it on
On the wall side.
the wall
walls,
because
yeah.
the force P on vertical.
Yes,
So-
yes. I'm gonna short explanation. I'm gonna give short explanation in Turkish. Şimdi Faroda. Which
Faroda.
Faroda company. Şimdi bize bayağı detaylı anlattı. Kendi şirketlerine de, yani daha doğrusu imalat yaptıkları yerin duvarlarına da bu fotovoltaik pilleri yerleştirmişler. Çatıya yerleştirmemiş. Çatıya yerleştirdiği zaman ağırlık biniyor diyor. Yan taraflara, duvarlara yerleştirdiği zaman yükü şu taşıyıcılara veriyorsunuz. Dolayısıyla daha efektif bir sistem istememişler, zaten kendi sistemleri. Burada dedi, yani Türkiye'deki gibi, aynen dedim Türkiye'deki gibi bürokrasi, bunları dedim kurmak falan kolay mı? İtalya'da çok bürokrasi vardı dedim. Same in Turkey. Bürokrasi burada da varmış. Ama bunlardan ziyade bakın burada işte şey var, elektrik şarj istasyonu var. Bireysel bunu kurabiliyor musun? Bunu kurmak hiç dert değil. Şak diye alıp böyle kuruyormuşsun. Eğer public kullanım için değilse. Arabası da kendi arabası da iş yeri yöneticisinin Tesla. Yani adam kurmuş fotovoltaik pilleri. Ondan sonra buraya söyle adına, şarj istasyonunu da kendi kurmuş. Şarj istasyonunu bu sistemle de entegre etmiş. Güneş olduğu zaman buraya besleme de yapıyor arka tarafta. Arabayı da burada park ediyor. Gayet güzel bir sistem. Evet. Yeter bu kadar, kapatayım artık ya.